Hey, what's going on guys? Tanmay here. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I just quickly want to talk about a cool accessory for an action cam or smartphone or any other tiny camera which you want to mount in certain positions, especially on your backpack or a clip or some door handle or somewhere to get those weird awkward angles and some amazing shots with this accessory, which is called as 360-degree rotating backpack clip mount. Kind of sounds like a mouthful, but it is basically a clip which has those action cam prong mounts and onto which you mount your action cam, or it also comes with an extension attachment which basically is looking like this. It kind of attaches over here and then you get a 1/4 inch screw, and then on this screw you can mount a smartphone holder and then attach this entire setup to a backpack with this. Using this clip mechanism, it will go on your backpack strap kind of over here. I'll just show you in a minute. And then because it is rotating, meaning that it can rotate in 360-degree way, kind of like this, so you can change the angle of your action cam or your smartphone if you've mounted it and take those POV shots by mounting this on your hat or on your backpack or any other attachment where you can clip on this accessory. So quickly just showing you how you can mount your action cam. I have my action cam over here. All I have to do is unscrew this. I'll do that quickly. Just put your action cam in place. With the DJI Action 4 or Action 3, you have the magnetic clips that go on your action cam. So all you have to do is just keep these magnetic clips over here itself and simply remove the action cam. Okay, so all I need is this in place. Alright, so this is how the action cam mount would look like. I will show you the smartphone mount in a second. And then I simply have to just attach my action cam onto it, turn on the action cam, my action cam is on, and all I have to do is attach this over here. Now when you attach it sideways and you have a backpack, let me just quickly get my backpack. So here's me wearing a backpack, and all I now need to do is use this clip mount and mount it over here. And now you can see it is currently mounted in vertical mode. My camera is vertical, but because this is a rotating mount, all I have to do is change the angle and rotate it, and now I have something of a POV kind of shot, right? So I can do that. I can mount it the other way around also, or I can mount it on my other shoulder to get proper angles. There you go, you can see. So this is just one use case from the multiple use cases of this clip mount. You can, as I said, mount it on door handles. You can mount it on tree branches if you're outdoors, if you're camping, if you want to get a top down shot. You can mount this on a window, you can mount it on a grill, or anywhere where this clip can mount. It's a very firm and sturdy clip, so you can mount it pretty much anywhere. And you can, as I said, also mount your smartphone accessories. So you just have to swap out this action cam mount, remove it out, and then attach this accessory. So this accessory is basically nothing but a 1/4 inch screw, which when mounted on your clip mount will enable you to mount a smartphone holder onto it, right? So let me just show that to you in a minute. So I'm just simply mounting this. So as I mount it, now this 1/4 inch screw I can use and take a smartphone holder. Now of course this is sold separately, you need to buy this separately, it doesn't come with the package. All you have to do is just attach this smartphone holder and screw it onto this 1/4 inch hole over here. It's a bit of a process initially, but once you've set it up, you're good to go, especially with the action cam. For smartphone it's a little bit of a hassle, but now you can see I have a smartphone holder onto the clip mount. And now what I do is I just need my smartphone. I'll simply mount it, and my smartphone is mounted onto the clip mount. There you go, as you can see. Now all I need is to mount this clip over here, and now I can get POV shots using my camera. I can switch to horizontal mode, I can switch to vertical mode, I can go all the way around as well. So this is something that you will obviously have to adjust. And as I said, this is not just for backpacks. This can pretty much go anywhere and attach to many different other objects and mounting points. so you have to be creative with it. And that's it for this clip mount. I just thought this is a very cool accessory to have, especially if you have an action cam and you want to mount your action cam to different attachments and get those different shots. In fact, I mounted this clip mount on my dog's harness as well to get that doggo POV shot. So dog POV, it was pretty interesting. I'll show you some b-roll around and it was pretty cool. So you can mount this clip mount to many different places. It's a very tiny and compact mount. You can just leave it on your backpack as well and get those cool POV shots. So I just thought I would share this info and talk about this accessory with you guys. I bought this off Amazon and I'll drop the link to this product in the video description if you want to check it out, if you want to buy. Let me know in the comments, would you be interested in such accessories, and would this accessory actually help to improve your content creation? Alright guys, this is Tanmay Sakpal signing off. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.